Hi, welcome to first episode of my YouTube channel. My name is Shahza. If you're new here on this channel, I help you to learn about hip-hop and house freestyle dance, and also I will give you some informations about the hip-hop music and the hip-hop history culture. First of all, I want to talk about hip-hop dance foundations, things that you may not pay attention to it until now. Definitely, you don't want to miss out the information that I want to give you today. Every week, I want to upload some videos about each topic that I want to explain today. So please subscribe this channel and turn the notification on so when I upload a video, you can watch it. Hip-hop dance foundations include three critical segments. The first segment that is so important is music. First step is identifying real hip-hop music. If you want to know more about the difference between different music genres, you can subscribe this channel and I will post some videos about it so you can identify what is real hip-hop music. The second step is to love hip-hop music and to know more about hip-hop music history and origins. Who made the first music of hip-hop? Hip-hop music has 4 parts. Part number 1 is DJ and turntable. Part 2 is MC and rapper. Part 3 is beatboxing. And part 4 is about beat making and music production. Third step is to analyze every component of a hip-hop track and hip-hop song. Promise that I help you out with it. The next foundation is knowledge. That is the most important one. Knowledge is about increasing awareness about the purpose of your dance. You have to know where you came from, why are you doing this, and where do you want to go. I suggest you to prepare this book from KRS-One, The Gospel of Hip Hop, and it will absolutely help you out with the history, the knowledge, and everything you need to know are in this book. If you can't buy this book, you can follow the link that I put it below my video on YouTube, and you can listen to this book by its author. And the last foundation of hip-hop dance is movement. The first hip-hop dance was break dance, breaking and b-boying. Then rocking comes up and freestyle hip-hop dance. Movement is about 1. Bouncing, 2. Rocking, and 3. Grooving. Then you have to learn more about hip-hop vocabularies and hip-hop party dance basics that helps you a lot. Further than these, I will help you to learn about hip-hop freestyle techniques that will improve your hip-hop dance. Next week, we're going to have a new tutorial video about the movement topic, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe this channel.